What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Turner Mobile Detailing. Seth here, and today we're going to be doing an extensive review of Adams Wheel and Tire Cleaner. If you saw my previous video featuring this stuff, that video was more focused on how to detail if you live in an apartment. So today we're going to do a deep dive, put it to the test, and we've got this extremely dirty tire and wheel. We're going to see how many applications it takes to get this tire completely clean, meaning to get the suds completely white. Let's get a close-up view and see how dirty it is. So hopefully the camera is picking it up, but there's a lot of browning on the tire. These tires have not been cleaned for months, and the rim is about the same degree of dirtiness. If you notice here, that is even my finger isn't taking it off completely. So let's get to work and see what Adams Wheel and Tire Cleaner can do. Okay, so it took us 4 cleanings to get it to nice and clean. So if you take a clean rag and rub it against the rubber, we have no dirty residue. So 4 cleanings is pretty good for a tire cleaner. It outperforms Super Clean or Purple Power, that's for sure. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give us a like, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. As always, I'm Seth with Turner Mobile Detailing. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.